How to use tablet mode in Windows 11. So let's get started. First of all, similarly, there is no dedicated option to turn off the tablet mode in Windows 11, but you can reattach the external keyboard to disable the mode. But what if Windows 11 is stuck on the tablet mode? You can try the following methods to solve this problem. First of all, check whether the keyboard is well connected to the device. If the keyboard is not connected well, the tablet mode will not exit. Then rotate the screen. If your Windows 11 laptop has a flip screen instead of detachable keyboard, you can revert it to the original position to disable the tablet mode. PC restart can solve many glitches, including the Windows 11 stuck on tablet mode issues. Then update Windows 11. System updates may fix some bugs. If these methods don't work, you can try this method. And lastly, you can use the perform or system restore if you have created a restore point before. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.